Hello everyone. So today's LeetCode question is largest triangle area. So we have given an xy plane with the points xi, yi, and we have to return the area of the largest triangle that can be formed by three different points. So we just have to find out that we have given some points like that 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 2 2 0. We have to choose the 3 points which are going to maximize the area of triangle. So we have to choose 3 points, and we have given the points length is 50, so maximum it could be of 50 points. So we can do a brute force approach because it can go up to 10 into the power 4 or into the power 5 complexity. So we can do here a brute force approach, and for that we have to just choose the 3 points, find out the area and select the maximum area. That is all about this question. So first of all we have to choose 3 points. How we are going to choose? So we'll just traverse the array. The one pointer will be choosing the first point, and another pointer will be choosing the second, another will be third. That will be of n cube complexity. So let me here do that. So n will be your points dot size, and will go from I equals to 0 to less than 1, and this will choose your first point, and j will choose your second point, and that should not be your same point, so it will be of from 0 to less than n, but it should not be your same element. And if I should not be equals to j, then here only go for this third element, and third element will be your k, not element point, so k will be starting from 0 as well. It will also go for like n, and here we'll check for if k is not equals to I and k is not equals to j. So that is how we'll choose 3 points, and points will be your points 0, not 0, I, j and k, and with these points we'll find out the area, and these points are 2D, and we'll here what we'll do is that we'll find out the area with those points. So here we will return, so area of your, if you check here, area of triangle with the 3 points, then it will be your like half mod of x1 into y2 minus y3, so it is like this. So area will be your, let's double variable area, and it is your 1 by 2 into, so let me consider it as 0.5 into if I here consider modulo, that is ABS, and here we have to multiply x1. We have 3 points now, so we have to consider here 3 points. So points number 1, 2, 3, and that is your variable, not a vector. That is your integer variable. Why am I doing this? So points 1, let me do it as P1. So it will be your P1, P2, P3, and P1 will be, we will have like x1, x2, x3 like that. So if I consider like that, so it will be your x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, and your formula would be like x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y1 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is it, and we'll return just area, and here we have to find out area. So we'll consider a double value maxi with the minimum one, and maxi will be updated with the max of maxi comma area of these 3 points, but here we have to send x1, then x2. So points I0 will be your x1, J0 will be x2, and K0 will be your, and again we have to send 1 as well. So here I1, J1, and K1 will be here. And that is it, and we'll just return the maxi. If there is no syntax error, then okay. So one extra bracket, if I am doing correct formula. That is y3 minus y1. Now it is correct, so there is just a formula mistake, that's all. So thank you for watching this video. See you later.